As we conclude today's Quadcom hearings, we are reminded that the issues we have examined, illegal drugs, offshore gaming operations, and extrajudicial killings are not isolated challenges. They are deeply entwined with questions of law enforcement, accountability, national sovereignty, economic regulation, and human rights. The testimonies and pieces of evidence presented here at the Quadcom hearings have brought to light both the progress and the troubling gaps in our current systems. We heard voices demanding reforms, seeking justice, and calling for the rule of law to prevail without fear or favor. The Quadcom is tasked not only with uncovering the truth, but also with ensuring that truth leads to meaningful, lasting change. We owe that to the victims and to the Filipino people who deserve institutions that protect and serve with integrity. The Quadcom's work does not end here. Let these hearings stand as a commitment of the House of Representatives that we will do our work to the best of our ability, and it will continue to perform the task given to it. So, kami rin po ay nagpapasalamat sa cooperation din po ng aming mga resource persons. Kahit kayo po ay napapagalitan namin, kahit kayo po ay aming kinokontempt, kasi meron po kaming mission o objective na dapat marating at ma-accomplish. Sana po maintindihan niyo po kami. Maraming salamat po.